So you've got flares, you've got discotheques, you've got roller rinks, and all that kind of cool, groovy, flared collars and all that sort of stuff. And amazing industrial silver bars from the 70s.
That's the one.
Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. It's a 50-year-old industrial silver bar.
This is one of the reasons why we love coming into here, working
Absolutely.
here. We get all sorts of weird and wonderful things.
Now we've had to put it on a little extra bit of thing here because it was ripping up the table. Whoops.
So I've given the table a hard time.
So tell us about, this is just an interesting piece. We want to make a quick video about this because this came in the store recently.
It is, and it's not the sort of thing you see every day amongst everyday collectors type of thing. So this is an old industrial silver bar. So you'll see on the side there, and I think, is it down here? BHAS?
Yes, right there.
So Broken Hill Associated Smelter is where this has come from. So this is Broken Hill Silver, we're assuming.
That's amazing. And 71.
Yeah.
That is older than both of us, including you.
Even me.
Which is amazing.
Yeah, just. Yeah. So look, it's a it's the ultimate in vintage bars, I suppose, because you really don't see these. I mean, it's 24 kilos, 24 and a half or something.
20,
I think it weighs.
20. That's got exactly here. It is.
Oh, it does.
22.765
there you go.
kilos, and a serial number up the top there of 4849, and it's 99.98.
Yeah. So it's been pulled out of the ground somewhere around Broken Hill and then roughly refined there. And then this type of bar would be normally sent to, your Perth Mint type of situation or one of our local producers, and they would have used it to make 1 ounce coins, 1 ounce bars, 10 ounce bars, kilo bars, all those types of things. So, and you can see, particularly in the base of it, you can actually start seeing, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but some coloration. So it does have some impurities through it. And if we grab, I've got the XRF here somewhere.
Yeah.
I had the XRF here somewhere.
Put that bad boy on.
So you'll see if we test this in a variety of places, you're going to see it's going to come up with a variety of readings.
Oh, man, you're making me twist around here. Oh.
That's even different to last time I shot it there.
Oh, yeah. 99 something?
Yeah, so that's 99.04% silver, and then it's got a little bit of iron. I reckon if I shoot it here, the iron's going to go through the roof. Yeah, see, now we're down in the 80s. And there's obviously, and you can see when I take the XRF away, you'll actually see, hopefully on the camera, a little bit of coloration in the bar itself just there. So obviously it's settled to the bottom. If I shoot it over here, you're going to find it's probably quite a bit higher looking by the colour there. Yeah, so it's testing out at almost 99.99.
Oh, there you go.
Although it might jump right at the end, it might show just a trace of iron. No, it didn't. It locked in at that.
Very cool.
So you can see, and if I keep shooting it in various places...
Thank you.
It's a bit easier on the back.
Better for the back, mate.
So you can see there, again, a trace element of iron. When we shot it before, it had a little bit of manganese in it. So I don't know where it's picked that up from. But that's one of the things with these, particularly the older industrial type bars, you get all sorts of things spread through them because the refining process was only so good. They only had to have it to, I think it was 99 point... In fact, I'm not even sure it was 98 or 99 that
possibly
the bars were. So they didn't have to, get the 3 or 4 nines purity that we see today.
Right.
So you get these fascinating bars that they have all these rough looks to them, and they,
the bubbling, and the scratch. And look, a 50-year-old bar. I mean, this is probably, who knows where this has been? Has it been buried? Has it been knocked around? Has it been a doorstop? Yeah. Well,
you can see it looks like it's been hammered by someone at some point. So who knows why? And it's got this pitting in it, and I still can't work out what this pitting is.
Right.
Whether it's natural or whether it's something that's been done to it.
Yep.
But you get this coloration through it because, people have touched it, it's picked up chemicals that it's been sitting around, it's absorbed them or whatever it is.
Yep.
It's toned, it tells a story in and of itself. So
now, I was happy to cut in half. Oh, sorry, let me start that again. I was happy for you to cut in half a 1,000-ounce Perth Mint bar, and I'll put a link above to that now. I don't think I would want you to cut into this thing, no way.
Look... it's stupid to get sentimental about these things, but
we're
do.
sentimental about it. It's really cool.
So it is. It's just really cool.
Can we see the other side, if you don't mind?
Which other side are you after?
That side
This
there.
side. So I'm going to do it without dropping it on my foot.
Yep.
So even in here, you've got this, the toning, the colouring, the almost coppery look over the top of it.
Yep.
And it just looks. It's starting to become more art piece than industrial bar.
Yeah.
Obviously, it still is an industrial bar, but it starts to develop a character and those types of things. Yes. So if you're looking for the ultimate doorstop.
That's the title of the video. There you go, the ultimate doorstop.
But if you're looking for that type of thing, or a statement in the middle of your stack, in your man cave, or what do they call the female version of a man cave these days?
I don't know. No idea.
Femden, I think it's called, or something like that now.
Where did you pull that from?
Yeah, I don't know. In an interesting conversation the other day.
All right.
But yeah, if you want a centerpiece, like something that people go, what on earth is that?
Yeah.
Or you want something that sits out of the way and sits against the door to store wealth in plain sight. This is the way to do it.
Absolutely.
It just is.
So this is actually for sale?
Yeah, reluctantly. I'll be a little sad if it leaves the store.
Okay.
But it's definitely for sale. It's definitely going to be on show in some form. Mm-hmm. So if you're in the local area, we are actually shooting this currently in lockdown, so you can't do it at the moment. But if you can come in after lockdown, come in and pick it up and have a look at it, and try not to do your back in because it does weigh 20-something kilos. But yeah, it's one of those fascinating lumps that we come across every so often.
Absolutely. So if you want to get your hands on it, you don't go to bullionnow.com.au for all your best bullion bars and coins. You can email sales@bullionnow.com.au. You can give us a call on 1300 84 84 10, or you could just watch this back and forth a few times because it's just a beautiful, beautiful bar.
Shall we put it on the rotisserie, on the turntable? Get B-roll for it?
I think we put the 10 kilo coin on there, and I don't think that would make it.
Yeah, they've got the wobbles up.
A few wobbles. I don't think the 22 kilo something thing would make it. So no to the B-roll, but this is all the B-roll you need. Look at this. This is just absolute. I'm seriously impressed by this bar. Old and manky and wonderful and dirty and just lovely.
Full of character.
Full of character, and from 1971, a 50-year-old bar. That is so cool. All right, well, if you want it, you can just contact us, and otherwise...
Or come into store.
Or come in the store. Where are we?
We are in level 6, 227 Collins Street in Melbourne. Obviously, don't come in at the moment. We're under lockdown. But after that...
Woohoo! All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. And as always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.